You're about to watch the Paulie Detmers channel. Enjoy.
Hey folks, Paulie here, and we're back at Davison Farmers Market, and today we're going to eat over here. We'll find out the name. It says KETO Burgers, but we're going to eat here. See how it is. So what we are having here is I got the KETO turkey burger with blue cheese. Little lady has the KETO turkey burger with jalapeno. We both have a detox ginger tea that has, of course, ginger and turmeric. So we're gonna try. Oh yeah, and it comes with their little slaw, and we're about to try it. Let's get a drink of this. Let the detox begin. I'm gonna try the slaw first. With the detox ginger tea and the slaw, I'm sure it's going to detox me pretty quickly.
You're watching the Paulie Detmers channel. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
I can taste some sesame in this slaw. Would you agree, little lady?
Yep.
She said, oh, which means yes in Tagalog. Yeah, it's good. It's an Asian slaw, they said. Right? That's what it's called? Now for the blue cheese burger. Blue cheese turkey burger. Got some tomato, lettuce, blue cheese, and a KETO waffle. Carbs for this KETO blue cheese KETO burger is 3 grams of carbs for this whole thing. For the little lady's jalapeno, once again 3 grams of carbs. Let's dive in.
How's your food, honey?
Good. Thank you.
This is for you.
Yeah, it's very good.
There's no sugar, no fat,
Different.
no glazed.
Not the same old. Can't be eating pizza all my life.
I have a ton of
I really got to cut down on the pizza. Put myself on the scales. I gained a little bit of weight. Nothing to be alarmed about because I know how to lose weight. Little lady said the detox ginger tea is pretty good. I agree. It's good. It is good. That's Christian music. How about that? Little lady says it's really, really good. I think she likes it even more because she knows it's not real fattening or bad for her. Yeah, that she likes the Asian slaw. They do have a pizza available too. Yeah, the slaw, aside from the obvious, I'm getting sesame oil, some soy, maybe a low sodium soy sauce. Some ginger. Very nice. Yeah, that tea is very nice. Ginger, turmeric, very good. Little lady, she wasted no time digging in that Asian slaw. Now, cost. It did cost for 2 burgers, $24, $8 more being a combo. Total is $35.62. Probably a little more than I want to pay. But you only live once. Here at Healthy Treats Market. It's that guy again.
Hey,
How you doing, Randy?
doing good, how about you?
Good. I gotta slow down and making and eating my pizza because I'm getting some weight. So we just ate at the KETO place. So I figured I'd come and say hi to you. My wife's here too. I was gonna introduce you. Oh, there she is. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oi.
Little lady.
So it's good to see Randy. Good to eat some keto food. And now we know the little lady's a little bit famous. Here in Davison, Michigan. Davison Township.